Kulthum bint Haydar Qarrar delivered this sermon to the people of Kufa. Her voice could be heard loud and clear to all as she said, "All praise is for the Almighty God, and may blessings and peace be upon those who are worthy of blessings and peace. Be aware, O people of Kufa, O you evil tyrants, why did you not help Hussein? You killed him and looted his property and imprisoned his family. May mercy and peace never reach you. Woe to you! Do you know what crimes you have committed, and what burden you have borne on your backs, and whose blood you have shed? What oppression you have inflicted on the most pious and virtuous people to ever walk the earth. The girls you have robbed and what property you have illegally seized. You killed a person, Imam Hussein, who was superior to all people after the Messenger of God. Mercy has been taken away from your hearts and souls. Surely, only the favored people of God are successful, and the helpers of Shaitan are the losers." Then she recited this poem, her voice drowned by her sorrow and grief. "Woe to you! You murdered my brother without any guilt. Your punishment will be given to you in the blazing fire of hell, in which you will be tormented forever and ever. I will weep for my brother, who was better than all people after the Holy Prophet, for the rest of my life." The sermon of Hazrat Kulthum has such an effect that the people of Kufa could not stop sobbing and begging for forgiveness. Men and women have never been seen crying more than that day.
For more authentic Islamic videos, subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Like this video and leave a comment. Till the next video, Khuda Nigehdaar.